Big dip in the overall markets in here today on the daily chart with a little recovery at the end. We're trading in that 665 handle. There's right around 2 to 3 channels we're now trading in here. We're looking at that 658 to around 664. That's going to be that first channel that we have been consolidating in for a little while here in the past. Then you have that 664 to right around that 668. So about a $4 channel where we only stay in there for a couple days at a time. And then lastly, that 668 into this new highs that we've been hitting here in the past couple days, which is up here at the 673s. So currently we're trading in this 665. If we can breach and hold that 668, which that's something that we did not do today, then we're going to be looking here upward to that 670 and that 673 range. This blue line right here, that's going to be your 9-day EMA that's trading at 664. So that whole area is going to be a main area of support for us in here. So depending on how much we gap up or down going into tomorrow, that is going to be a major area of resistance or support for us, depending. Anything below the 658 in here, we're looking down here around 652 and then 646. So that's kind of what we're looking at long term as far as our highs and our lows. And obviously anything above all-time highs, nice whole numbers on the way up until the chart tells us otherwise, right? That's kind of the standard what we do here. Ivy rank is sitting here at 26. You have right around a $5 expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration, $7 move priced in by Friday's expiration. So large expected moves in here with the VIX up, with volatility up. So that's going to be good for all of us options traders. So let's see if we can take advantage of it and make as much money as we can off these crazy moves that were happening. So this is what we want. This is what we like. These are good moves for us in here. We can play this thing either way, but let's just focus on that 664 range going into tomorrow because that has a moving average catalyst in there for a large support or resistance, depending on if we're going to gap up or down. And then anything outside of that, we're going to be looking at those channels to, so the 664 to the 668, 668 to the 673, and then on the downside, 664 to right around that 658. So that's what we're looking at in here. $5 expected move priced in by tomorrow. Let's see what happens in the overall markets. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.